Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a double jump mechanic in Unreal Engine. As you can see, here's the third person character over here. This works in almost every template. You can use first person or third person. The third person is what I'm actually using. First of all, you need to go to the third person blueprint here. The BP third person character. Yes, this one. When you open the third person character, you will have these things. You will not have this thing. I'm gonna drag it away. This is from a previous tutorial. I'm just gonna leave it like this. And here is jumping. Right now, I don't want this double jumping mechanic is just gonna work on normal jumping. I'm not gonna try to do the input touch inputs. And now when someone just jumps like that, you need to make it so that you can jump again while you're in midair like that, and then that's all. Like, you can jump infinitely, of course. And now you need to create a variable called can double jump like that. And when can you double jump is like when you are in the sky, like you are falling down and you haven't pressed space to jump again. So in order to do this, we need to get the character movement over here and do is falling, this one. So we need to check if the player is in the sky falling or something like that. We need to compile this and make the can double jump variable to true. We need to set the default to true. So we do this and we type in and like that, and can double jump like this. We create a branch over here like this. After when you press jump over here, we attach this, and when you press the jump again like this, we need to turn off double jump like that. And then we need to do launch character. Here we go. Now we have this, and we do Z override. This will make it so that it will cancel out the vertical velocity of the player and set the velocity to whatever the number over here is. So I want the jump Z to be exactly the same as the strength of the normal jump. So let me copy the character movement over here. This, you can drag it from here also. We type in jump Z velocity and attach that to launch Z. And now this could work, yes. Let's make a sound effect when you jump. When you do the double jump, the second jump. I don't know, let's put this, let me hear some sounds. I'm gonna choose something from the engine as Possess Player Q, this one. You can everyone has this so these sound effects is built in the engine. So when you jump, you would do this first, because when you first jump, you are not falling through the air, but you can still use the double jump. So you just jump normally, and then you press space again, and because you are falling, you jump again mid-air and plays the sound. That's all. So I'm gonna change this jump input with double jump. Okay, now let's see here. When I walk around, see, I have double jump. See, I have a double jump over here, but now I can't use it anymore because, as you can see, when I press jump, I disable can double jump because you don't want to infinitely jump. It's a double jump, not infinite jumps. So we want to reset the double jump every time when you land. So right now it's simple. We do on land like this, event on landed. We do can double jump will be true like that. Also, let's add a particle too to make it more visible. Let's do spawn particle first at location. Yes, we do get actor location. You can put it at any location you like. I'm not sure which look. If I do get actor location, would it do in the center or at the bottom over here? I'm not sure actually. I think it's in the center. Okay, we do an explosion effect. I don't know. Just give it an explosion effect. You can put any effect you like. Yeah, see? Here's the double jump. So that's basically it for the double jump. It's a really simple thing to do. It doesn't require a lot of knowledge. I mean, it's just a couple of like extensions to our jump inputs we used. So that's all there is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.